This is Dr. Caroline Peterson with Peaceful Pause. It's been 2 weeks since Hurricane Ian came through Port Charlotte, and everybody's pulled together. So much has been done, I just wanted to show you what things are like today. So this is going to be the first rain that we get since Ian, which is really a blessing because it's given most people, or many people, a chance to get the tarps on their roofs. And FEMA has a program for putting tarps on. I don't know how they're managing. I know I'm on their list, but I haven't heard anything about when they'll actually come. So other people help out in the meantime. So I'm just kind of going around this street that I travel on often, and we'll go into the neighborhood. The schools are still out for a week or two more. A lot of them have damage. So some of them, I think, are making arrangements for kids to do some learning at home, and some are not. Companies from 30 different states have come to help out. Now we're getting into where there's more of a problem. Turn here. The stop signs and the street signs are still down. Nobody's been by to pick up the brush yet. Not sure if that's going to be the city or FEMA. Wires that are still down. This morning they were out working on that. Pull everything out of their house wet and could get mold in it. Over here, I wanted to show you over here in the canal, or there's a big RV that got tipped over by the wind. So this used to be one of the neighborhoods that was established in the 60s for the snowbirds. And these neighborhoods largely seem to be populated by multi-generational working class families that I believe many of these households are not insured. So there will be a reliance on FEMA because there's a lot of destruction. You can see this house up here on the left with the orange sign in it saying that it's non-habitable now. That's the third one we've gone by. I forgot to point out the other one to you. Non-habitable.